Today I'll show you how you can make your own stickers using Midjourney and how you can sell them on Redbubble to eventually make passive income. Like one of my shops on Redbubble, I upload on it once in a while and every month it brings me from $600 to $800 passively. So of course you are already familiar with Midjourney. You just give it a prompt of what image you want and you will get it exactly. If you join any newbie room, you will see that people creating images of all kinds. So you can also do that. Just click on / and click on this imagine prompt, and anything you write in this prompt you will get as an image. For example, let's type cute black dog sticker, and you will get a variation of designs. But in these rooms there is a lot of people creating images every second. It gets busy. That's why you can add the Midjourney bot to your Discord server just by clicking on it here and add to server, then choose the server that you want. And by the way, the free version of Midjourney is not for commercial use, so you gotta get a paid one. Anyway, everyone can make the design super easy, but what's more important here is how you gonna sell these designs as stickers or Redbubble. You can't just expect to sell any design you make. Like if you searched black dog or Redbubble, there are 90,000 designs. It's impossible to sell in this general keyword. That's why you gotta do a niche research where you have to find a niche that have low results and a good demand. The simple way to do this on Redbubble is by typing any general niche. This niche could be an animal or a job or anything that you think a customer wanna buy a sticker about. Let's try for example an animal first and search duck, and we got 100,000 results. Next step is you have to sort these results by best selling. What this will do basically is you will get what is the most selling designs by order. Saying for example this first design sold 9 times, so the second one sold only 7 times, and the third one only 4 times, etc. You got it. And I know for sure that these first designs have been sold thousands of times. This is a big niche with over 100,000 results after all. At least the next 20 pages are selling consistently. Anyway, next you gotta look at the designs and focus on the sub niches. For example, this cowboy duck design, this looked like a good sub niche, so let's open it and copy this title cowboy duck and search it up so we can check how many results exactly this cowboy duck niche got. And that's perfect, only 300 results. This is considered low competition. Next step is you gotta check for the demand. Is there any customers out there looking for cowboy duck? Well, you already know that this first design is selling. You found it in the top 4 of the big niche duck. But to double check and be more sure that this is a good niche, you can also check the other bestsellers in this sub niche. Sort by bestselling and open the first couple of designs and go to the shop by clicking the name of the shop here. And again sort by bestselling inside the shop this time to see the bestselling designs of all time for this shop. And just like this, the cowboy duck design is his bestseller. And if you scroll down you will see the number of favorites. He got 700 favorites, which is really good. Same thing with the other shop. His bestseller is the cowboy duck design and he got 300 favorites. And that's simply how you can check for the demand. Now if you wanna go a bit further and check exactly how many searches every month this niche cowboy duck is getting, you can use the keyword planner, a free tool from Google. Here you put your niche, in this case cowboy duck, and make sure to select United States and press on get results. And here you got 100 to 1000 searches every single month, and that's a great traffic for just 300 results on Redbubble. Of course now you can scroll down and get more niches and ideas from this same big niche, or you can just search up another general niche. Let's say a job this time. For example, let's say dentist, and sort by bestselling. And let's see this one, floral tooth. Same thing, we check the results for this sub niche and only 100 results. That's a really low competition. Also the bestsellers in this niche are from the same shop. If you open his shop you will see that he made the 2 different designs individually, then made them on a sticker pack. And that's what you should also do. Make 2 to 5 designs with Midjourney, then make them as a single design on a sticker pack. I'll show you exactly how you can do that in the designing process. Now we've tried animal and job, let's also try a hobby this time. In case you can't think of a hobby, just Google it like this, and let's open the Wikipedia link, the first link, and you will get hundreds of hobbies. For example, let's take hiking, and same thing, search it up and sort by bestselling. Let's open this one, wildflower hiking boots, and let's check the competition. So only 76 results. That's more than perfect, because if you check the first bestsellers, they are all selling in this niche. Like, this is crazy for only 70 results. After these examples, I believe now you can get niches yourself with no problem. So let's go go with this wildflower hiking boots niche and show you the designing process on Midjourney and how to upload it correctly on Redbubble so the customer finds your design. In Midjourney, I just typed wildflower hiking boots sticker, the most simple prompt anyone can write, and look at this second design looking really good. And I did change the prompt a little bit to get different results as you can see here. Now let's say you're happy with the second design and you wanna upscale it, get it in a better quality, just click on this U2. And also I will upscale this other design so I can make a sticker pack with 2 designs. Now to download it after the upscale, just click on open in browser and simply save it. You can make your design even in a better quality by using this free website, I'll link it in description. So click here, then select your image and you can leave this scale on 8 and press submit. And the resolution now is much better, look at this, 8000 by 8000. Next, bring your design to Photoshop, or you can use 4P, it's a free website, works pretty much like Photoshop. Just click select, then on subject, and automatically your design will be selected because you already generate your design as a sticker on Midjourney, so removing the background is much easier. Now just click on the mask icon here, just like this, and save your design as PNG. I will do the same thing with the other design that we got, just simply removing the background. And again a third design, but this time a sticker pack with the 2 previous designs, so we can have 3 different uploads to Redbubble. Okay, the title formula for this type of designs is simple. Paste your niche, which is wildflower hiking boots, and then add the main hobby, in this case hiking, but we already have hiking in this exact niche. So I'm gonna type hikers. You can type hiker or anything related to the big niche. For the tags, the first method you can do is copy them from the bestsellers they are selling, so that's the proof that they got good tags. Just open the first couple designs like this and scroll down to the bottom of each design and start copying from this section all product tags. So let's take this hiking boots like this, and this one boots and flowers. And also make sure to check the copyright and trademark. For example, I want to copy this flowers in your hair, but apparently it's a song. This could get your shop suspended, so be careful guys. Anyway, let's keep copying. For example, this floral hiking boots and also this other one, flower hiking boots ideas. Next, let's use this extension called SEO stack. So what I do is I type the main niche, in this case hiking, then I add sticker and make sure to select Google and United States and English and press start. So this basically gives you the exact keywords that the customer is typing, the customer who wants to buy a sticker. So if you put the exact keywords that he's looking for in your tags and description, you have a big chance to sell your design to that customer. And also most of the buyers who buys from Redbubble are coming organically from Google. Now let's start copying some of these keywords, for example hiking, camping, and don't copy sticker because Redbubble automatically add it for you like this in this example. Anyway, let's also copy this hike, meme, and hiking couple. So I will just take these for now, and you can take as much as you want, and also you can change hiking sticker to hiker sticker so you can get other keywords that customers are searching for. Anyway, description now. Lately I've been using ChatGPT, so I just say write me a short description for this wildflower hiking boot sticker using these keywords and paste your tag so you can get a description optimized for SEO. I will copy from here to here, this looks good. Now what left to do is you adjust your design on pretty much every product, then go to the bottom and choose sticker as the default product. And by the way, to upload the other variation of the design quickly, click on copy settings on the design and just replace it with the other design. And the sticker pack, I like to disable all the other products, leave the design only on the sticker product. And that's it for this video. If you're interested in Redbubble, you gotta watch this video next. I talk about how you can tell if a niche is selling or not, which is really important to know. And see ya!